choose the correct answers. What does AR stand for? Which technology lets you see a blend of real-world and digital elements? What does VR stand for? Which of the following is a use of AR in daily life? What is the main difference between AR and VR? Augmented reality changes the real world around you. Virtual reality can take you to a completely different world. AR and VR are the same technology. You need a special headset to experience VR. Computer vision is not related to AR.